Welcome to my channel. Installing and activating your ARRIS SURFboard DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem. 1. Unbox your modem. Open the box and check everything: modem, power adapter, coax cable, and quick guide. Make sure all accessories are included before starting. 2. Choose the right placement. Keep the modem near your cable outlet and a power socket. Make sure it's in an open area, not inside a cabinet, for proper ventilation. 3. Connect the coax cable. Take the coax cable and connect it from your wall cable outlet to the modem's cable port. Tighten it firmly by hand. No tools needed to avoid damage. 4. Plug in the power adapter. Insert the power adapter into the modem and connect it to a power outlet. The modem will start powering up automatically. 5. Wait for LED lights. Give it 2 to 5 minutes. You'll see lights blinking. Once the power, downstream, upstream and online LEDs turn solid, the connection is ready for activation. 6. Connect to a router or computer. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to your Wi-Fi router's WAN, internet port. If you're not using a router, connect directly to your computer. 7. Open your browser. On your phone or laptop connected to the router, open a browser. In most cases, it will auto-redirect to your ISP activation page. 8. Activate with your internet provider. Log in to your ISP account, Xfinity, Spectrum, Cox, etc. Enter your modem's MAC address printed on the modem label. 9. Let the modem reboot. Once activated, the modem will restart automatically. Wait for all LEDs to turn solid again. This confirms it's synced with your ISP. 10. Test your internet connection. Open a web page or run a speed test to confirm everything is working. If speed is low, reboot your router and modem once. Thanks for watching.